Hello everyone. This is the question related to the non-traditional manufacturing methods, and here they ask what are the better than the non-traditional manufacturing methods are better than the traditional manufacturing method. Justify your answer and list the advantage ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. So what is the meaning of this one? Traditional methods, non-traditional methods are more better than the traditional methods. You have to justify that one. ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಏನು ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದವಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗಳು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ನಾನ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮಷಿನಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ನೀವು CNC, VMC, ಲೆತ್ ಮಷಿನ್, ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವು ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ traditional manufacturing methods which you are using for the machining. But EDM, EBM, LBM यानी कि ultrasonic machining, electro discharge machining, chemical machining are nothing but non-traditional machining. So there is one more word, you can note down that one: conventional and non-conventional. Traditional methods CNC, VMC are nothing but conventional machining method, and USM, EDM, LBM are nothing but non-traditional machining method. So one thing ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮಷಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ where there is a tool and tool will be in contact with the workpiece. Those are nothing but traditional machining. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, CNC, VMC, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೆತ್ ಮಷಿನ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಟೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಷಿನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಟು ದಿ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನಾನ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮಷಿನಿಂಗ್, apart from the tool, there are other chemical or electric discharge or abrasive material you are using for the machining, where there will be no contact of the tool, or maybe less or else no contact of the tool in the non-traditional machining or manufacturing. So this, I hope you have understood this one. So here we will justify this answer, how the difference is, or else it is better than traditional machining. In the traditional machining, you involve you are having the tool and that will be in the contact with the workpiece direct. Okay. Whereas in that non-traditional machining, there will be no contact of the tool. Same thing I have mentioned here. Then the greatly improved thermal, chemical and mechanical properties of the new engineering material made it impossible to machine using the traditional machining process. Means whatever the new materials are there, their properties have been improved and it is difficult to machine that one with the help of regular machining process. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಸ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಗಳು ಏನಿದಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಷಿನಿಂಗ್ದಿಂದ ಮಷಿನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ದಮ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬೆಟರ್ way you can machine that one. And then in the basic machining ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಟೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ತಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ಗಿಂತನೂ ಟೂಲ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಾರ್ಡರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಷಿನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ we utilize some other chemical or some abrasive materials we will utilizing. With the help of that one we will be machining. So here to machine the high cost of the machining ceramics and the composite materials, the damage generated during the machining are the major obstacle to the implementation of these material. In the addition to advanced material, complex shapes, low rigidity structure, and the micro components with the high tolerance. Okay, means what? ಈಗೇನು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಷಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಷಿನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ to overcome all these problems, we go with the advanced machining. So in order to avoid the damage of the material, or we cannot machine that one with the help of regular machining process, or complex shapes we cannot machine. So that's why we go for the non-traditional machining process, where we can get close tolerance, that is more accuracy we can get. Here it has been mentioned, and fine surface quality also we can obtain. So that's why we often need non-traditional. These traditional machining are ineffective. Okay, so that's why we go for the non-traditional machining method, or else advanced machining method we will choosing. So what are the advantages of this one? So advantages of this one: improved thermal, chemical, or mechanical property we can obtain. Then no wear of the tool, there is no tool, that it means that no wear of the tool. More complex shapes also we can machine easily. Micro components also we can machine. We can obtain the tight tolerance, means close tolerance we can obtain, means high finish, quality of finish we can get. Then working area, clean working area, and the structure can machine easily. Okay, low rigidity structure can also we can machine. But in the, if it is the same in the traditional machining, then we cannot machine low rigidity structure. Break ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ somewhat. Cost of the machine is very high. Skilled labor we do require for this one, and the low material removal rate. That's why we don't choose this one. So this is how we have justified that it is better, or else advanced. It is, some disadvantages are there, no doubt, for this one, but apart from that we can choose the advanced, that is the non-traditional machining method, where we can get the quality of product. So thank you for watching the video, and please do share the video with your friend, and subscribe the channel, and please do join the Telegram channel for the more updates, and give the comments how do you felt regarding the video and explanation. Hopefully your feedback matters a lot for me.